Polythene bags, glass bottles, plastic bottles, and cans are among the many materials found along Ghana's beaches.
Helping to make the environment safe is a good thing and you should be part of it.
But it's important for us to keep our society clean, our beaches clean, so that we can live healthy.
Stop complaining and actually come here, clean out our beaches.
On September 20th, 2025, Accra came alive for the World Cleanup Day. My Eco Ghana partnered with other NGOs to organize this amazing beach cleanup exercise with over 100 volunteers from students, workers, and even foreigners. My Eco Ghana has been organizing this beach cleanup exercise from time to time, but the goal is for us to change our mindset and make it a habit to not just keep our beaches clean, but our environment every single day. Please help us create awareness by liking and sharing this video with your loved ones. Don't forget to comment down below because we want to know what you think about this initiative, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, so today is World Cleanup Day, 20th of September. Guys, can you see them there?
So when I got there, the crowd was already massive and they were having a warm-up exercise session. So I quickly went for my t-shirt and my nose mask so I can join the exercise too. Everybody's spirit was very high and the vibe was right. I actually enjoyed every bit of this session.
Bag and go for your taps. 1, 2, 2. We don't want to actually keep the place litter, so you make use of Mayuko truck. So they send it to the truck if you are tired. So don't go, just be outside and follow up. Please, it's cleanup time. Next time, it's going to be time for photographs. It's going to be time for networking. Now there's time for you to grab something from the floor. Join us clean or stop soccer. It's time for clean. We are coming to all the angle. If you want to rake, just rake. If you want to sweep, just sweep. We have a sack. That's for other waste. Okay, the black one is for only plastics. The sack is for other waste.
You can start from this side up to that side.
The start
Pick a
point
spot.
is right
They'll be catching you.
on
Is
our
that
left
okay? Okay,
to
thank
the
you very
lagoon.
much.
One thing I absolutely love about this beach cleanup is how organized everything was and how passionately people were trying to get the job done. But also, let's know that the waste crisis in our communities are much bigger than this. And by sharing this video, you help spread awareness and inspire others to act. The more people care, the closer we get to a cleaner, brighter future for Ghana and our planet. So don't just watch this video, share this and be part of the change.
Happy World Cleanup Day! Happy World Cleanup Day! Hooray! Today we are here with Mayeko to have a cleanup exercise at the Laboma beach. I am a volunteer for Mayeko, and yes, helping to make the environment safe is a good thing and you should be part of it.
When our communities are clean, we can be healthy. I think they are doing a great job.
I'm volunteering with Mayeko today to clean up the beach because I believe that the beach is a place that when anybody comes here, they do not go back the same. Why? Also because today is World Cleanup Day, and when we clean the beach, it's for a healthier environment for each and every one of us. I am here today to join Mayeko do the cleanup exercise. You know, it is important for us to keep our society clean, our beaches clean, so that we can live healthy. And as part of my social impact project, I decided to join them to do the cleanup exercise.
I love the beach so much, so I decided to join the exercise and to stop complaining and actually come here, clean up our beaches. So happy World Cleanup Day.
My name is Rashida Timbrai, but you can call me Rash. And I'm the community engagement at Mayeko. So Mayeko is a fundraising platform for social impact organizations across Africa. We connect social impact organizations to donors worldwide. So today, Mayeko has an initiative called the Mayeko Beach Cleanup Initiative. And today we are hosting the World Cleanup Day at Laboma Beach with Let's Do It Ghana. Today I would like to say Happy World Cleanup Day. And if you are not here, you've missed a very, very, very big chance. So next cleanup that Mayeko does, we're inviting and enriching everybody to please volunteer and come join us. So if you want to sign up, just visit www.mayeko.com or our social media handles at Mayeko Impact to sign up to join the Mayeko family. And also, if you have an organization that you also like to raise funds for, just visit mayeko.com, check on the start a fundraiser, upload your fundraisers, you'll be vetted. It's just a 1, 2, 3 steps for you to join us. And also, if you're a generous donor, select any fundraiser that you think you love and you like to donate and just donate. And donate a simple 50 Ghana to support a cause that can change anybody's life. Thank you very much.
Happy World Cleanup Day!